Hello, and welcome to Amanda Van Fleet's Guide to Kids Blogs. Now, here I am at kidblog.org, which is where we begin. This is their front page. Now, there's a couple ways you can actually go about it. This site is actually very unique in the fact that you can do something called create a class, which is actually what I did, which creating a class allows you to the teacher to moderate the entire class. Now that's what I did. I created a class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in and show you what this is all about. There we go. Now this would be my class. I chose this particular format because I thought it was cute. And I have a post already up. This is just my sample. And you can post this and it'll go to an entire class. They'll be able to see it. And you click on all blogs. If I had other people in here, like you can add students. You can do that by going to the control panel. And in the control panel, you have all the blogging activity, post, pending posts, drafts, comments. You have the ability to look at what everyone is posting and moderate them. You can either delete them if you don't think they're appropriate, or just various different things like that. You can correct spelling, stuff like that. You also have 100 megabytes of storage space. So if you need to, if you want, you can put in a reading, a PDF file or something like that, that all the other kids are supposed to read, and you could put that up and they can look at it. It's really quite fantastic. So here's the recent comments. Always appear right up here, and since I was the first post, the only post, this is what's showing. You can also look at recent posts. View and delete classes. You can create multiple classes. Say you're teaching multiple classes, then you can make one for each of them. Or the school can just have one collective class and have different classes within that class, which is always interesting. And you have here, you can post something new, of course. You can review posts. Take a look at them and moderate them, essentially, as well as comments. And now we're getting to users. Now, under users, you can add a new user. And what that does is you can add your students. You can add, they sign up for Kids Blogs, and you put in their username and their password, and then they're added to the class. And you can name them as student. You can have an administrator, like a teacher's assistant, something like that. Teacher, of course, moderator, and guest, who has various different privileges and can view different things. You also have a profile you can fill out, and you can put different groups. Say you have a rather large class, but you want to separate them into certain groups. You can do that. Kids Blogs is very, very centralized around keeping the teacher in control while keeping everyone together, and I think that's quite fantastic. You can also change themes, just like any other blog. You can change the class title. All those are in general settings. So yes, in general, I'd say KidBlog is a very good blog. I do like EduBlogs as well. Unfortunately, they do not have this particular feature where you can keep everyone's blogs together in one spot, which is a very nice feature. I haven't played with them much, to be honest, so I don't know how their security is and everything, but from what I've seen thus far, I think everything is, very useful, very good. So I hope this helps, and have fun.